Hey everyone, are you curious to where you are losing profits on your projects? If so, then the ebook, Project Management, The Secret Sauce to Profitability is a must read. Hi, my name is Rod Cruz and I wrote this book to help business owners, general managers, project managers, and anyone else working in the restoration or construction industry to learn how to identify and eliminate major profit killers in their business. These are the same profit killers I had to address when I bought a failing restoration company. In the book, I discuss some of the major topics I used to turn around and make my restoration company profitable in less than 6 months after purchasing the company, and how we became a top performer in just under 15 months. Topics such as the necessary processes and procedures to gain efficiency and effectiveness to lower cycle times, the proven characteristics and qualities you should be looking for to find a great project manager, and how to incorporate metrics that help you track projects and get better customer reviews. If you're looking to learn more about project management and how it is the secret sauce to profitability, then download the book for free by clicking below, and don't hesitate to reach out if you need some assistance or have questions. I'm looking forward to hearing back from you, and don't forget to follow us on LinkedIn for additional project tips. That's it for today, and remember, don't forget to download the book. We'll see you later.